The max size lines plugin will allow us to constrain multiple lines of text. So we're going to drag a font into our scene tree here. We'll just slide it over and then we'll copy it once or twice as well. What we want to do is actually group these, so we'll select all of them by holding shift and clicking and then just hitting the little group button here. We can group all of our fonts together. We'll go into our built-ins folder, into the container plugins. Within the tools folder there is the max size lines plugin. We're going to drag this onto our topmost container or the parent container, and we're going to click on the max size lines plugin here. Much like the max size plugin, we have our default X scale and our default Y scale, and again we can decrease this or increase it, and as we do so on the X scale you can see how it's scaling it on the X axis. If we do it on the Y, it will now scale it on the Y axis. So we have a maximum width here that we can set to 500, and then if we spread our text out here, our 3 columns or our 3 rows of text here, and we come in and type in one of them, our topmost text here, you can see that once we reach 500 on one of them, it's going to start to scale down all of the texts with it. So it's going to keep all of your fonts the same size when you add more information into one of your lines of text here. Again, we have a scale Y that we can turn on or off. So if you just wanted to scale on the X axis while you're typing, then you would turn the scale Y off. So if we go into our text here and just type more, it's just scaling on the X axis now. So max size lines is the way to constrain multiple lines of text if need be.